Alright guys, it's MartyBlendz and I'm back with another fade, this time though, replicating Jeff Wittek's haircut. To start off, my model did have some bulk on top and some lengthy sides, so I split and parted. Without removing too much darkness, remove all the bulk using a number 3. Remember, flicking out can save you some time from coming back to the harsh lines. With the BARBER skeleton, we will create our first bald baseline. Right after, you want to fully remove all the stubble that is left underneath. If you notice, I do flick out with the shaver as soon as we're getting close to that line, because we don't want to leave a harsh line. Okay, now I came in with the lever open, no guard, and because we're making this such a tight blend, you want to only cut off ½ an inch for the first guideline. Okay, now with the lever closed, hit the first dark line you see at the base and go halfway through. Make sure you keep opening up the lever as you go up on this line. As for the 1.5, you want to go up about a full inch with the lever open. Then lead with the number 2, lever open, right above using a flick out motion. Always remember that you could use thinning shears to blend out the lengthy hair. The next guard you want to use is a half guard halfway open and go up about ½ an inch. Now with the number 1, open and you raise a line above. The last and final line will come off by you opening up the lever all the way and then hitting it carefully. Guys, if you did enjoy the video or learned anything from it at all, make sure you subscribe to the channel as we will be dropping more tutorials and other barber content. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.